See what Dan is talking about today. But today we are doing an unboxing. We are unboxing. Oh, let me get into my little scenery. So I wanted to give a little 90s vibe, a little Nickelodeon 90s vibe. I was feeling it from the shirt. I got this shirt from Zara. So I was feeling the vibe. I wanted to give like a little vibe and a little what you call it? I feel like I'm glistening. I don't know. Maybe it's just a ring light. But yes, I wanted to get a little 90s vibe with this outfit that I got from Zara. I normally can't wear extra large in Zara, and as you see, it's a little smug in the breastplate area. But we're gonna lose a little bit of weight for the summer, and we're gonna be able to wear this, okay? And also, it's just a little short on me. I'm a 6'3" guy, so usually Zara is not my go-to store to shop at. So if you're 6'3", 250, Zara ain't for us. And thick, I have to add that. So y'all, oh, hold on. So y'all, we just got a package. We just got a package. We just got a package. We know where it is from. Boom. Asos. So I've been like kind of searching because I've been wanting to do a new video for YouTube for a minute, but I'm like, I don't have anything to post, or I wasn't like finding anything on these sites to post. So we'll just come out the box. You can't really come out the box. So let's just take it out the box then. So I'm a fan of Vans. I used to wear Vans faithfully. I had like 10 pair of Vans, and they was like my favorite pair of shoes to wear. So I got some Vans from Asos. I seen these cool sneakers. They like these little throw on. I'll be saying stuff is like a throw on, but this is honestly like a little throw on. Oh look, it go with my nail. Hold on, let me see if I can clarify the camera so you guys can get into the nail art. Just simple cow print blue. But yeah, I got these because my favorite color is blue, first of all, and I just thought these shits would be dope. Hello? Hey girl, how you doing? But yeah, I thought these shoes would be dope. I'm gonna put the price somewhere over here. But I thought these shoes would be cool just to, put on, give a little Cali swag, a little, What up, y'all? Oh, what up, swag? So yeah. Another thing that I have that I don't think I showed you guys that I have in my closet, which is behind me, is this. I got a sweater. I'm gonna post it. I think I'm gonna do a full look with these outfits, so it's gonna be in a video. Yeah, so that may take a minute because I ain't doing it tonight. So I seen this shirt. Cloud. It reminds me of the Simpsons. Like how when it opens, these are like the clouds. So I thought this would be cute. If I'm going to brunch, or if I want to go out before my birthday is in July 13th. I'm a Cancer, so if I wanted to go out on a Sunday, with little cute little pants or whatever. So I got a size 3XL plus red. Why? Because I like my stuff oversized, and I like my stuff to fit. I like my stuff oversized, and I like my stuff to fit right. Like, as you see, like I talked about this doesn't fit right on me because you can see this. To me, for a thicker and a plus size man, we really don't want to show our tits and our stomach. We know we got it, but we honestly don't want to show it. So I usually try to go oversized, and if I do an oversized, you can either look bigger or you can look just right. And sometimes it makes me look smaller, sometimes it makes me look bigger. But if you get something oversized, of course you need to do something fitted. So if you do a fitted pants, fitted, they got this new trend of wide legs. If I was wearing a wide leg, I would look big. Why? Because of oversized shirt, then wide leg pants, too much going on. So you want to do that with a skinny chino pant, or skinny jeans, or dress pants, dress it up or dress it down, some khakis, but make sure they fit properly, because oversized and then a tighter pants would just make you look very, very, very dapper. I got these brown pants. I don't know why I got these brown pants. Because I need color in my life. That's why you got them. You need color in your life. So yeah, I got these because I need color in my life. Sometimes I get pants in extra large, but for the most part I go 2X, because like I said, I'm a thick man, so I like my stuff to be fitted. And Lord Jesus, I like my stuff to look at me. I'm trying to give y'all tips, and I can't even talk. So I usually go 2X because I want my waist to have a tiny bit of room, but also be fitted. So usually a 2X for me for my waist. I don't have a butt, so it's usually the waist, like here where the stomach is. I want to make sure that is flattering for me. I don't want anything too tight, because then it's gonna look like, damn, Mr. Brown. You don't want to look like Mr. Brown. You want to have something that's honestly a perfect size to your body. So first of all, you can be comfortable. Secondly, you just look more better. Like I said, I'm gonna show you guys the outfit. I'm gonna take pictures and show you guys the outfit. So don't mind me if you're not seeing the full pair of pants, but this is it. They're like, to me, they're cute. I don't even know if I got shoes to match this, so I might not. I gotta see how I'm gonna do this outfit. To me, these can be dressed up. These can be casual. These can be, for me, just, hey, I need to throw these on to go do a pull and put a white t-shirt on with those blue Vans, and a blue fitted. Let's go. That's the outfit. That's the look. So boom, that's already 3 items that I got from Asos. And then I've been seeing these underwears, and I wanted these underwears, and I went on Asos and I was like, oh shizness, they have the underwears. So the one pair that I want, I'm gonna take them out. Circles, circles, round and round, and I'll be doing this so wrong. Keep holding you down. I feel so smooth. Yo, if they, I was about to be like, damn, the underwears that I wanted, they ain't even, it's not even in the package. So I got some Nikes. So these are blue, gray, but what I came for, what we all was waiting for, is these bad boys. I thought these were super cute. I thought they were super cute, to do a little Nike look. Do a full little Nike look. Not a full Nike look. Did I just say that? I seen somebody post these on Facebook. And I was like, damn, these drawers look good. It was the first little picture. And I was like, well, the underwears look cute, so let me try to find them. Okay, so we get into the bottom of the box. And they gave me a $90 off, including free shipping. Use code GREENCHEF. Green Chef. I never use Green Chef. And then they got me Woolit. I think that's how you say it. Keep clothes looking like new. Wait, Asos just throwing shit in there, nigga. Don't be throwing shit in my box. It's Corona. If I don't need it, don't be throwing it in my damn box. All clothes. No harsh ingredients. Keep clothes looking like new. How does it? No fade. Oh, okay. The color to love won't cause them to fade, shrink, or stretch. Hey, I'm not getting paid for this stuff. I ain't gonna even sponsor. I ain't gonna even talk about this too much. But yeah, guys. So I should do it. I should do it. I actually bought some stuff from Shein, Boohoo, and PacSun that I was supposed to do the haul on, but I'm gonna wait because I'm gonna do this and just post this and do the outfits, and then so I can have more content. I'm gonna do that. I also got a vlog coming that I'm just didn't post yet. It's hard to vlog, y'all. I tried to vlog and I'm like, what the fuck do I gotta say? What do I gotta do? It's like, you gotta always have your phone out. I feel like it's a two-person job. Like if somebody has your phone, it's kind of a little bit easier, or I need that little tripod. I mean that little stick thing that they used to have. What was the shit called? Selfie stick. I need that to like, hey, I'm in da 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 da. You know, some type of thing like that. Yeah. But what's been going on with you guys? I miss you guys. I miss you guys a lot. You know, these are my moments I can just rant and talk and just talk about random things and just talk about fashion and just like, cause I run my mouth a lot. So YouTube is like that kind of thing, just to get it all out. Let it all out, just let it all out. Let it all out. Yeah. That new season of Pose I love. I liked it. I thought it started off strong. To me, I'm sad that this is the last season because Pose brought awareness to a lot of things that I feel like we deal with in the community. We don't really have a show that shows us in that type of light without being like, hey bitch, or girl. Like, you know, every other show that showcase gay men or trans women are like, to me, like a lot. Like they do a lot with our character. We never are doctors or lawyers or, you know, anything of that. So I feel like this is just showing like a good light, even though none of them are doctors or lawyers. Some of them are, actually. I'm taking that back. Some of them are doctors or lawyers. But I feel like it just shows us like in a more prouder light. Like we can be proud to say that that's a show that our life is based off of. So yeah, I'm happy. I'm also excited about Legendary. That's another one of my favorite shows. So I'm excited about that. I'm kind of confused why Megan is back. I ain't gonna hold you. Don't judge me. Don't judge me. Because Megan, I love Megan, but I thought Megan was like before the first season of Legendary, because she's like an icon. She was like a big icon, and everybody wanted to be Megan. Megan was hot girl, everything like that. So I thought, you know, the second season they was gonna get somebody more involved in the ballroom scene. Like I would have did Tiana Taylor. Tiana Taylor, I would have replaced Megan Thee Stallion with Tiana Taylor. That would have, to me, would have been a better fit. Tiana Taylor has been in the ballroom scene. Tiana Taylor knows kind of the lingo, so I felt like that would have been better. But hey, I'm happy. You know, it's happy they got a second season. Shout out to Simone. The black entrance. What she call herself? The black. Is it the black entrance? I can't think. But shout out to Simone. I'm so happy she won the Rupaul Drag Race season 13. Yeah, season 13. So she's a queen to be queen. A queen Okay, yeah, because if I keep talking, I'm just gonna keep ranting. So you already know what to do, guys. Follow me, like, subscribe, comment. Ooh, ooh, ooh. Y'all know what I'm about to do to you? But I'm about to show you guys some of my work. So actually, let's do it. We're gonna do the outfits. I'm gonna do the outfits for you, and I'm just gonna show you guys this dope new shoot that I just got the cover for. I styled the shoot, and of course, you know your boy got the cover. You already know why. But yeah, it's a super dope shoot. I work with an amazing team. So it was like this futuristic alien shoot, and boy, did I show out. But I'm gonna let you guys see and be the judge of that. Thank you guys for watching. Please be safe. Oh, another important thing that I definitely just need to speak on. Guys, get vaccinated. I know a lot of people are worried about getting vaccinated. Just do your research. Of course, not the Johnson & Johnson. I would not say do that at all. That's not approved. Don't do that. But it's other vaccine shots that you can get. So I definitely approve the other ones. I actually got my first shot and I felt amazing. The only thing I felt was a little sting on my arm, but other than that, I was great. I'm going to get my second one May 15th, so I will update you guys. But guys, I feel like the vaccine shot and wearing a mask is 50% vaccine, 50% mask. And if you do that, it's 100%. Keep your mask on still, but you get vaccine and you 100% safe. To me, I think that's what I get from this situation. But even though the president says you don't have to wear your mask, wear your mask. Stay safe. Yeah. All right, guys. Bye. And away we want. Oh, and around, and around, and around we go, and around we go, and around we go. Alright guys, so I wanted to be lazy and just give y'all the full look without have to put on the whole outfit. So I just put on everything that I bought and to give you guys like a little look. So these are the shoes. Man, don't look at my little skinny ass legs, but these are the shoes. Like I said, a little Cali swaggy. You know, they're dope. And then I got the brown pants on. Let me pull up my camera real quick for y'all. Okay, so here's the pants. I'll put them up a little higher because like as I keep them down, they came all the way down. So I pulled them up a little higher, just to give a little bit off the knee, give a little bit more ankle view. So yeah, I like it like that. And then let's zoom up. Let's come on up, come on up, come on up. Then you have the shirt. You know, I tucked the shirt in a little bit to give like a little, you know, a little look. You know, you want to tuck it in. So, you know, I did say that loose, oversized, and loose pants doesn't work. But this 3X actually doesn't fit like an oversized. So it fits just perfectly. So, you know, this is like a whole little brunch vibe. I'm going to brunch, making it work. So let me get the full look for you guys, and you see it. But overall, I'm feeling this whole look. I would wear this as a whole look, actually. Go out to eat, go out to brunch, go out to chill, you know.